bouncing baby goats. You drinking or swimming? No way. I've seen kitty cats do this, but not roosters. Bulls are aggressive and violent. Bulls. Kissing a squirrel. Oh yeah, it's a Great Pyrenees. So it tells me that dog's waiting for a treat or for dinner or something. POV, Rosie trying to photobomb a group picture. Oh yeah, it's not even your group.
If you spell applesauce with just A's, you can call it...
Okay. Hey!
Parkour! Oh, parkour! Parkour!
Okay, what's this? Attack. Goose. They can be mean.
Oh, you're so tough, Gus!
Oh, that poor guy, help him!
I can't even walk around
Somebody
my
help
yard.
him!
No.
Geese, or goose? Wait, goose attack. Geese.
You
can
feed
be
them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
That poor cow.
Alright, tell your joke.
Why are chickens so funny?
What?
Why?
Because
I don't know if it's a dad in me or because I live on a small farm. That was funny.
because
Me. My chickens aren't bougie. Also me. That's kind of cool. I want to be a chicken. No. Somebody's in trouble. Gotta stay cool, man. Gotta stay cool. Oh.
That's not an udder.
Hey, it's Gerald. And yes, I'm looking for the boob. And no, my new mommy doesn't like when I do this. But I'm happy she still gives me the boob.
Okay, ready? Take the picture when I smile.
That's kind of cute. Have you ever seen a chicken with a baby Crocs? Pepper officially has the freshest kicks in the... Oh, I was reading. I didn't even see that little chicken has little Crocs on. All right, massive cow fail. Wait for it. Little bouncy cow. Oh, whoa, careful, big gal.
This is what happens when you raise a duck from a baby. You're really big and it's just them sitting in the chest every night.
The chickens won't stop trying to live inside. Well, yeah, it's like the best chicken coop in town. Constantly waits by the door and sneaks in when we're not looking. I bet the kids love it. What a cute family. Watch your face when I try to take her out. She's like, no, no.
People will come over my house and come in my backyard and see holes all over the place and go, oh, well, you should discipline your dogs. Stop having them dig so many holes in your yard.
Yeah?
Well, guess what? My dogs don't dig the holes. You want to know who does?
Who does it?
These
The chickens?
You ever disciplined a chicken?
Sweet Pea wants a bottle too. Look, Mom, I can do this too. I'm a goat.
Henry!
Who is Henry? Oh.
Good morning, buddy.
Hey, Henry. Look at these two best buds. Uh-oh. This is not going to end well. Oh. Okay. I thought that goat was going to break the mirror.
I'm Holly. I'm Nora.
I mean, I want all these cows. They're so cute. All right, can you spot the troublemaker? I'm going to go ahead and say all of them. They look like trouble. Oh. Okay, well, that's very evident. When your orphan lambs won't leave you alone.
We've got no milk for you. Leave us alone.
Give me the milk.
We don't live in here. You live in the shed. It's not your house.
All right, little man's obsessed with his giant girlfriend. Yeah, he's showing off. All right, love these fainters. Oh yeah, this is funny when they kind of flash. Oh. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Here goes. Oh, no. Can you imagine running out your door and fainting? That would not be fun. All right, crimes my chicken committed this week. Oh no. Oh no, characters. Chickens are characters, hands down. Videos of my dog holding his favorite ball that will boost your serotonin. that is, for some reason, very comforting and makes me really happy.
In case anybody's interested, it's my birthday.
Happy
I'm 5 years
birthday.
old. Anybody?
I am. I'm gonna send you a cake. Oh, I'm here. I love this cake. When your dog sees you naked.
You're gonna do that? Yeah! So scary.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately
This is not gonna be that
terrified.
dog. I feel like you're very, very close. Oh, I love you too.
Yeah,
Have you trained your dog to bring you root beer? Alright, you're late 20s, married, no kids, your dog is scared of thunder, so he jumps to the bed at midnight. That's pretty cute.
Show me the reason why you have no money.
I would give all my money away too. When mom is in her third breakdown of the day.
You guys are overfeeding your cats. Because this is how much a cat is supposed to eat.
Not around here.
That cat's eating more than that.
Not around here.
First visited dog cafe didn't go quite as planned. Just sitting in the corner.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
He was the best guy around.
What about the people he murdered?
What murder?
Left P-mail on the wrong rim. Oh no! Oh, this corgi is under arrest. All right, it's 5:47 a.m. and you failed at crate training. This poor cow. Telling my mom and dad they didn't tell me that's a good stretch or share a cheese stick with me before bed where they were gone.
In the world?
That's a good stretch.
You're gonna break your neck.
Where cheeseburger must rid potato of his sins. Okay, I tell you that's cheeseburger and that's potato. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! No tree is safe with your dog around. No heart is safe with this dog around. What kind of baked potato is this? A walking baked potato. Oh, so cute. They won't bite, they will just judge you. Dogs do judge you, it's scientifically proven.
Do you wanna get on the couch?
You wanna take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then. Good night.
Good night.
Whoa, look at those eyes. I mean, wow. Dog just walks. I can't believe I got this on camera trying to take a cute video. Wait, oh, this is cute. Oh.
So I decided to put a Fitbit on my dog to see what exactly they're doing today.
All right, look at that
How
scrunchy
much they're
face.
moving around, how much exercise they're getting in.
All right, what do we
And wait
clocking?
for it. She walked a total of 33 steps.
I can believe it.
33.
So my dad has a dog, and his name is Rip. So we got one of these beware of Rip signs, and he's a pretty ferocious dog, and people don't really understand. But let me show you real quick.
First.
Oh, God, all right. I really hope he doesn't attack me right now.
Careful.
Oh my God.
Look out!
Whew. Well, he didn't attack me, so that's good. What's up,
Rip?
Rip?
No one's gonna mess with Rip. Look at this little button nose. So cute. No. Just play with the balloon for hours? Not even popping it? You have a teenage dog. Oh. Whoa. What? No one is safe with his dog in the house. or out in public. No. This dog's a troublemaker. Oh, that's cute. That dog was not having it though. It's like, that one's yours. What? That's a fun filter. Oh my goodness. All right, things my dog found while clamming. This dog can clam? A large crab. That crab's kind of got that dog too. He's very proud. He just wanted to play with it. We took it away. Thank you.
Top 10 gooby boobies
Number 10, we got Goopoo Loopoo. He's hella funny. Then we got Stoopoo Doopoo. What a goat. Then we got Goopy. He's a menace. Don't let his appearance fool you.
Hard to catch him on camera.
Then we got TJ Crean. What a beast. Then we got Mr. Denmark.
Okay.
Love him. No list is complete without Glub Tubbis Weppel. Then we got Mr. Dubstep. Oh, it's Gub Gub.
Hey,
I
Gub
love
Gub.
Gub Gub. Then we got Aaron.
Aaron.
And this guy.
Thank you for sharing.
The anatomy of a German Shepherd. Ears.
Yes, mostly.
A German Shepherd's ears can hear extremely well, but only when they want to. Eyes. Also known as the puppy dog eyes, this is a shepherd's best defense
German
against the
Shepherds are
word
so
no.
good at this.
Teeth. As puppies, German Shepherds have tiny razor blades instead of teeth. Good luck with that.
do.
Nose. Aside from sniffing a squirrel a mile away, the nose is used for nudging their humans for attention.
Relentlessly.
Tail. Perfect for knocking drinks off
Yeah,
the coffee table.
that German Shepherd tail
Bum.
clear a table.
Very floofy and needs scratchies often. Paws. The shepherd paws have a mind of their own. If they're not prancing through the grass, they're stepping on or swatting at someone.
Okay, strike. Rating my dog's play dead. Fancy start. All right. That's pretty good. Yeah, I think that's pretty solid. 9 out of 10 for sure. Okay, Peach. That's, yeah, maybe not as good on that one. You think 9 out of 10? I don't think any of these are realistic. Never does it. What? 11 out of 10 insane. Agree. Look at you have a red fox in your house? You have 2 of them?
Standoff.
I've heard of people having foxes as pets.
Relax.
This is Joy. She knows how to photosynthesize. This is Lulu. When Karen asks for the manager, this is who she gets. This is Wally. Wally thinks that rocks are edible. He is wrong. This is Lily. She do the stomp to ward off enemies. This is Missy. Please beware. She will slap at random.
How do you
This
come
is
up with
Sadie.
this
She is
stuff?
a
I love it.
croissant, which means she spends half her time as a dog and half her time as a curled pastry. This is Cooper.
It's
He
the
is my
boxer
son.
bean.
My son is not very bright.
This is ridiculous. This dog figured this out. So she knows that pushing the button gives her food. I kept moving the button farther away
Yeah.
so that she would have to hit it and go back for food.
Okay, smart
now,
dog.
If I put the button down,
Okay. Oh, she just takes it. Wow. That is some real intelligence. Apples. Look at that nose. That nose
like
is as
another one?
big as your face.
If you see the purple on his forehead, it was a heart.
Well, how'd that happen? Not set up for that. Destruction of private property. This cute goat. You have some cute goats, though. I will tell you that. Following too closely. No such thing. Identity. That's a cow. That's not a goat. King of the mountain. Pandora paints. Orange and blue. Okay. Let's see. That's cool. I want a horse that does this. Those little nose wiggles are so fun. Okay, orange. What, green? Alright, Indies. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna get me. A car ride and a scenic soft serve. Disney movies and sleepover in mom and dad's bed with my bro. I just lost my boxer and we did all this. He got a dozen donuts because he loves donuts. One time he snuck some off the counter and his love for donuts never stopped from there. A mission flip. This is an awesome dog. Look at that face right there. Oh, it's so hard. They give us so much. Mom carried me back to the car and whispered lovely things in my ears. My first cheeseburger. Oh my gosh. Thank you for loving your dog so much. Love you guys. Thanks for watching this. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'm going to link an awesome video that I know you love right down there, or just click right here. Thanks for being a part of my React channel. It's a lot of fun. I'm having fun. I hope you're having fun.